Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. It is another yummy, delicious recipe. Guys, we are going to be making fried fish Nigerian stew. Like, this stew is so delicious. Guys, stay tuned to see how we made this. Welcome. Guys, for the ingredients for today, I'm using 2 big red pepper, 1 habanero pepper. I'm going to be using white onions. I'm going to be using 3 of this tomato, vegetable oil, curry and thyme, mixed seasoning and nutmeg, salt, maggi, and I'm also going to be using fish. So now guys, we are going to season our fish, okay? I'm going to put 1 onions. I'm going to put 1 maggi, half spoon of nutmeg, half spoon of mixed seasoning, 1 spoon of thyme, half spoon of curry, and 1 spoon of salt. Now I'm going to put that on the stove and I'm going to let it start cooking. Okay, it is time to cut our pepper and onions and then start blending our tomato. So now guys, I'm adding my tomato in the blender and I'm going to add some of my onions and pepper. I'm going to add a little water. I'm going to cover and we'll start blending. So now we're done blending our tomato. We're going to allow it to cook, let it cook and dry out. Now over here our fish is ready. I am going to take that out of the stove. So now my pan is on the stove. I am going to add oil. I'm going to allow that to heat up and then we'll start frying. So guys, my tomato is dry. I am going to take it off from the stove. So now guys, after taking out my tomato, I'm going to add some of the oil that I use for frying the fish in here. Okay, now we're going to use that to fry our tomato. We're going to allow that to heat up for a bit, and then we'll add our onions and start frying our tomato. So guys, after allowing that to heat up, I'm going to add our onions. So guys, after allowing it to fry for a few seconds, I'm going to add my tomato. So guys, I'm going to allow my tomato to fry properly. So guys, now I am going to start adding my ingredients because my tomato has fried very well and it has dried off very well. Okay, so now I'm going to start adding my ingredients. I'm going to add mixed seasoning. I'm going to add nutmeg. I'm going to add curry. I'm going to add thyme. Now I'm going to mix everything together. Now I'm going to allow that to simmer for a minute. So guys, this is after a minute. Okay, I'm going to take it out and transfer it inside the pot. So that is the pot with our fish stock. Okay, I'm going to start adding the tomato inside there. So guys, after that I am going to taste for maggi and salt. I'm going to add 2 maggi and a bit of salt. Now I'm going to add my fish inside there. Now I'm going to cover. So I'm going to allow it to simmer for like 5 minutes. So guys, I allowed it to boil for 10 minutes because after 5 minutes I decided to leave it for another 5. And yes, it is ready guys. It is smelling so yummy and so delicious. And yes, it is ready. Our fried fish tomato sauce is ready, and we're going to get it out of the stove now. Okay, now that is how it looks. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all on my next one. Bye.